struggles.
The struggles of removing vinyl.
I don't wanna risk it all again, but I don't wanna be on my own.
We're back at it again with another project. We just ripped off the wrap off the hood and it's gonna get a new wrap on there. Stay tuned for the final results. Of course, I do record the process and everything. So we gotta clean the hood, get it printed, get it laminated, wrap the hood, and then we'll go from there.
I'm used to being let down, but I'm hoping if I'm falling too fast, then you'll catch me. You'll catch me. So